So guys, join me. Let's do this egg wrap again today. I always bring varieties for you. So let's try this style again. It's very simple to do. So I've made my plate already and I've placed it on my head. I'm just trying to adjust and get them well aligned. It's very necessary. So I'm going to arrange them and get them straight and aligned. Once I'm done with that, the next thing I'll be doing is taking it to the back and go cross it forward. It's been crossing all this while. I don't know if you have noticed my tutorial recently. It's been crossing from back to front, but it's good. Okay, so guys, I've crossed it over to the front and just pick one and twist, and you do the same thing to the other parts. The division of the head wrap is 50-50. Yeah, 50-50 is the division. That's equal parts for the division. So I twist the both ends and I'll take it up my head now on the pleat I made, where I'll be giving it just a twist. I'm going to twist both together. Just watch my hand and see the way I'm twisting. So I'm twisting it like this. So when you are twisting, you make sure that one part remain a bit, and that is what we are working with now. The bit that remains, just stretch it out like this, stretch it out, and you take one angle to the right and take the other to the left side, and you secure it with an office pin. So once you are done like that, you just arrange and use your hand to adjust the adjustable, and you're going to get our first style for today. So once you are done with the first style, shift it backward and add some little touch. You are good to go. So we're going to be seeing the second style very soon. So let's go. The second style, at the middle, just press it down. That's a made wrap. Press the middle down and secure with office pin. It's going to give you something like this. Okay, so you adjust as well to achieve your desirable taste. Okay, so that's that, and we'll be going for the third style now. Very easy. You can achieve the remaining two with the first style you created. So let's say the last one, just press that one down and attach both together with office spin, and you're good to go. If you have watched this learn, don't forget to like, follow if you haven't, share and leave your comment. Okay guys, lay your hands on it, try it. Okay, try it before your next occasion so it will be perfected on that day. I'll see you next time guys. Bye.